after a 15-hour drive plus some, we finally made it to Florida, y'all. We came to celebrate Ava's 6th birthday. Time flies. We ended up booking this 12-bedroom house, and oh my god, it actually exceeded my expectations besides a few little things. But check it out. This is how it looks when you first come in. Oh my gosh, it has high ceilings and wooden entry. The stairways over here. Check this out, y'all. This is our room. Don't mind the pillows. We started bringing our stuff in already, but oh my gosh, I love this. It has a his and her bathroom. Yep, they got the little shit on over here. And oh, trust, we gonna be using that closet over there for this week that we gonna be here. Now, details, okay, honey? And look at this, y'all. High ceilings with an open concept. Yes, look at this kitchen. Oh my gosh. Living room over here. And then it's actually bedrooms over here. Big head B, big head E, big head boo B. Okay, this is the game room. Yep, it's in the garage, but it's a pretty cool concept. Washing machine in there. This is somebody's room too, this B room. And one thing about these rooms is they all have like their own bathroom. As you can see, he's using his bathroom. This is some of the stuff that kind of was irritating, that the carpet got stains, and then like some of the lights don't work. It's a whole nother area over here. Make you subscribe. You irritate. So this is the loft area upstairs. And y'all, remember, this house has 12 bedrooms. I might not be able to show y'all all of them because people using them now. But, oh goodness, you lost me. This is one of the cutest rooms. Man, so freaking cute.
What is it? It's a Mr. or Miss, a teacher or a principal. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know it. I got some frozen papaya up in my fridge.
And there's even a bathroom in here. Ignore that toilet seat being a peekaboo. I'm just being a weirdo, but that was one of the bedrooms and they in it, so look, they got their door closed. I don't know who in there. This EJ Funky Stinking Room. Just, oh my God, I'm still thinking about how nice this house is. Then let's go over here. So this is a bathroom that's shared by these next two rooms. Like, this is the Disney room. Here, this is the Star Wars room. This is pretty cool. Little sitting area over here. Then this my mother's room. Mama Mia.
Hey, hola. Oh, that's cute.
¿Cómo estás? What?
That's a swimsuit?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I found this at Marshall's. This her bathroom. Thank you, thank you.
What's the name? Pants.
Thank you. This is her closet. I'm all up in your personal space. So, this is another one of the bedrooms. They just got another bathroom. The cool thing is, it's 12 bedrooms and like 9 of them got their own en-suite bathroom. Then the other ones pretty much share a bathroom. What room is this? I would show y'all the other suite, but they got their door closed, so I'm gonna respect that. Okay. Okay. And last but not least, this is the pool area. And there's also a sitting area. And it's pretty dope because this master, well not master, but this bedroom actually has like a way you can come right out to the pool. So that's pretty cool. You ready to get in the pool, dude? You wanna get in the water? Okay. That would be funny if I was not recording this whole time.
We got the pool going right now. John, why you making all that noise? Look, now you on camera. Want me to turn them bubbles back on, babe?
It's your boy. We got Capelot Jr. in the building. What's up? Oh, I got baby Ava in the house. What's up? Birthday girl. You know what it is.
I know how to swim.
She had the floaty on, but she ain't need it. Baby Germ in the house. What's up, Germany? Look, you were on the camera. Hey, turn up. Okay, then. On these cameras? Gang, gang.
It's $100 TV dinner too.
This
Y'all ain't
mine?
here to this. No, this mine. This a $100 TV dinner. Y'all can't find these nowhere. Capelot gang. Ava birthday at 12. It's going down.
I'm gonna be 6 years old and I know how to swim. My brothers do not know how to swim. But y'all, I got something for you. Here's the game. See you in the morning, you guys. Oh, dude!
Right here on the screen.
Look at these, y'all.